Good morning students. Today we will continue brain teasers question. So question number 1B brain teasers. First question, without actual division determine if minus 250 is terminating or non-terminating. So question number 1B first, brain teasers. So how we can check whether it is terminating or non-terminating? By finding its prime factorization. First of all, we will cancel it, means we will write in standard form. We will cut it by 2 table 14 and this will become 125 and not possible now. This will become minus 14 upon this is 5 into 5 into 5. So here all the factors are prime only, 2 5 only. So what is the rule? If the prime factorization of denominators are other than 2 and 5, then it is repeating, otherwise it is finite. So this is the terminating decimal. Question number B, convert this to decimal. So you will divide simply minus 1 113 you will divide by 7. This negative sign later on you will write by this way. Question number C, what should be subtracted from this to get this? So this question you solve this by 10. What should be subtracted from 10 to get 7? What should be subtracted from 10 to get 7? So what will be the answer for that question? 10 minus 7, 10 minus 3 to get 7. So the same question, these wordings we will replace here. What should be subtracted from? So this will become minus 15 upon 834. This will become the sum, minus to get means another number 3.476. This will be the format and that will be the answer. What should be subtracted from 10 so that to get 7? So 3 will be subtracted. Same question here, what should be subtracted from this? Means sum minus another number is equal to that number. So sum is here, we have seen that time sum minus one number. So already we have seen this format. So instead of sum here minus 15.834 and one number is this. So this the sign are same. So we will add both the numbers. Answer will be in the negative. Question number D. Express 4.82 rational number in standard form. 4.82 means this we will write by removing decimal this and after cancellation by 2 to 2, whatever the last answer will be left in p by q form, that will be answer. Next question, find the value of this E 16.016 divided by 0.4. So we will convert this upon 0.4. So how we can remove this decimal? By making the like term. So it will become 16.016 upon 0.400. So this will become 16016 upon 400. First of all we will write in the proper column and after that this is only one place, but here there are two more places. So we will put 2 more 0 and then we will remove the decimal. So it will become 16016 by 400 and after that by cancellation you can check it. Question number 2. Question number 2, convert the following rational number into decimal. So conversion in decimal means simply you divide all the questions. Question number 3, find the decimal representation of the following rational number. Same thing, you have to divide. For example, question number 3, first 12 divided by 30, so 12 zeros are 0, and here 12 and decimal this, and by this way you will continue. So by simply division you will find, and when it is a non-terminating repeating coming, then you will put bar. Question number 4, simplify the following expression. So simplify means you will add wherever addition is there, there you will add, and wherever negative sign is there, that you will subtract. In some questions 2 negative 2 positive are there, so both the negatives you will add and both the positive you will add, and you will subtract each other by the law of integer. So your homework is question number 1 to 4, and separating writing what is your homework. So today you solve up till 4 only.